today there is a new help to teach. I told you to subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of things to come on this channel. Yeah. There's a new leaf. This leaf. People have been talking about it. Yes, you see the canes when they are at the dead band. You can see them on their neck. Yeah. The name of this plant is called the bitter melon. Yeah, that is the bitter melon. The scientific name is Momordica charantia. So I am about to teach the spiritual benefit of this leaf and then teach you the physical benefit of this leaf. Okay. Have you ever gone to a Durban whereby the chief will put this one or this leaf on the neck? There is a festival or any other Durban or anything at all, the chief will sometimes put this one on the neck, especially when there is a serious calamity in the community whereby the chief wants to find a solution. Yes, because this leaf is very important, very, very important. Okay, so as I told you, the benefits of this leaf, we have the spiritual aspect and we have the physical aspect of this leaf. In our local language called nyanya, it is used very well. It is a popular leaf of which when you mention the name, everyone knows, because it has a spiritual benefit and a physical benefit. Very good leaf. If you get it, you have something special. Yeah. Some people either smash it in their water and bath with it, or they can just boil it and and drain the water from the boiling pot and then let it cool and then start taking it to cure a lot of diseases. Yeah, for the physical benefits, the reason why kings and when they are going out for a special occasion, they put this on their neck. The reason is it protects any unfamiliar spirit that tries to harm you. The scent of the leaf, it is believed that the scent of the leaf alone can drive away foul spirits or bad spirits. So the scent of the leaf can drive away a lot of spirit that doesn't have good intention, negative energy, anything in your era that brings bad luck and anything. As the king is going to the Durban ground, he doesn't know whether there's another king who have bad intentions spiritually against him, so they just put this one on their neck to capture any negativity or negative energy that comes upon them. Yes, that comes to attack them. Yes. Okay, so the second benefit of this leaf is used for cleansing. The leaf has been used for cleansing number of days, number of years. To make this a special cleansing agent, you have to get a sea water. You have to go to the sea and get a sea water. If you don't have a sea, get a sea salt and get water. So when you get a sea salt, you get your water. The water shouldn't be a processed water like the Vortic, like the sachet water. No, it should be a water from the river body. That's the flowing river body. You get a bottle of that water, or get your bucket to get a water from that flowing water bodies. Yes, get them. When you get them, you just take this leaf, you just smash it in your water till the water turns to green. I'll teach you how to use this one for cleansing in the next video, so you have to subscribe. I'll teach you the procedure to go through for cleansing, how to smash it in the water, how to do everything with it and bath with it. Subscribe to this channel. The next video you get to know all of this. So basically, the first spiritual benefit is for cleansing. If there is any negative energy in your area, there's any witchcrafty, if there's anything that tries to attack you, you just have to take this leaf and then smash it in your water. You get you get seawater, you get flowing water bodies, and then smash this in the water body and then use it to bath and to take off any negative energy. Or the second benefit, when a new child is born in our community, when a new child is born, this leaf is mostly used on his or her bed or its bed. It is being put on its bed for a protection. It is believed that when a child comes to this world and the child is not yet 7 days, the child can go away. Or again, let's say anyone with bad intention can come and harm the child. So mostly this one is placed under the pillow of the child or on the bed of the child to protect any negative energy that enters the room. So this leaf, let me put it on my neck. Yeah. This leaf have a special benefits, and then that smell that gives you a pleasant smell, even broaden the way you think when you have the feeling of the smell. Yes. So this leaf have a special benefit. As a newborn child or newborn babies, you use this one to protect them from any bad intention or any negative energy. The next special benefit is this leaf is combined with just ordinary water, not seawater. The first seawater is for cleansing, but this one combined with ordinary water, bath it, use it as your bathing sponge. Just use this as a sponge, bath with it with water. You can add soap to it and use this one as a sponge to bath. And I tell you, the spiritual benefit is to do away with bad luck. It brings favor, good intentions. If you are confused in life, you don't know what to do, if you are very confused, the spirit that tells you go and call yourself, don't get this leaf, get this leaf. Yeah. If you get this leaf, just bath with it. Just bath with it. Just get ordinary water, hot water or cold water. Put this one in, bath with it. This one is soapy. When you try to smash it in the water, it's look at there's a soap content in it. So you just can use it to bath and stand in the bathroom for yourself to dry. And do this for 7 days. Any evil spirit, any bad intention, anything that is driving you crazy, don't know what to do in life, they will all vanish. Okay, let's go to the next benefit, the special benefit of this. Over the days when there were a lot of death in the community, unexplainable death. Unexplainable death. Your children are dying, your family members are dying. What you have to do to know the cause of the death, to know the cause of bad luck in the family, what you have to do is get this leaf, put it under your pillow, pray on it, that if there's any evil thing that the family has done, or there's anything that is fighting against the family, should be revealed to you in a dream. Put this under your pillow, put your pillow, put your head on it, and then sleep. There will be a vision of what is worrying the family. There will be a vision of what is making the family die at a young age. Anything that is not going well in the family, it will be revealed to you. Yes, yes, it works. It works. Let's move to the next. Yes, you can use this to drive away evil spirits in your home. What you have to do is that you have to just get the leaf, hang it on your door entrance or on your entrance. Just hang it. Get a nail. Just hang it like this. You hang it for 1 week. You just change it. Hang it. Any evil spirits in the house, any bad luck in the house, any when you sell, they don't buy. Just hang this at your store. Yes, you can even put this one in your bag to drive away any evil spirit around, to drive away any bad luck around, to drive away anything around. This leaf is very special. It's very, very special. That is why even kings use it. Yeah. So because you're a king, I give you this leaf to use. I'm just explaining it to you for free. Yes, for free, to protect yourself from any incoming or any misfortune. Sometimes when you're traveling, you're in a car, you can just put this one in your bag to prevent or to something to tell you that this car, don't go and board this car because there's a misfortune. You can hear the voice. If this leaf is in your bag, you can hear the voice that there's something ahead. Just go back. There's something to happen. Just leave that area. Yes. this leaf works that way. Another function of this leaf, the special function of this leaf, is if you have been employed, if you want promotion, just use this leaf to bath. You have a business, the business is not running well, just use this leaf, mix it with water, just use it to clean your business, just clean the premises. Sometimes you can even get a soil in a bowl, plant the seed of this plant as a beautifier or ornamental plant in the workplace, and you see the change. Yes.